I want to reach back my 10K so I can be a creator. Johnny, I don't want to. Right now, Automatic theory, I'm gonna bring the news and I read the news. See, Coco and Fear ex-fiancé, they break up. Me then I bring the news and I read the news. But them not important to me. For them situation, I just what them have to go through, my love. Them not relevant over here, so my love. So, me now go talk about no girl and them situation. We have kids to send back to school. I know me not start the begging for the fundraiser yet because I'm busy. I sort out other people business where some dog shit I go feel like so them can come and come style me. No can't style me. Here. Remember I know. Is that I have one I want to know. What is that, Miss Bling? Pussy. Some are too little bit on bad mind. Una too little bit on bad mind. And that's have to cut out and that's have to stop. Me can't work like that and me can't function, so my love. Everybody who go pan Derek live in a Derek box where class me a dog shit and drunk row. All of the women them will go pan Derek live in a Derek box where class me a drunk row and dog shit. And uno can't better own stay neither. Any woman will go pan Derek live still in a Derek box and class me will never ever better than own stay. Retribution of a take kuno. Destruction of a take kuno. Knox Christ, me I tell you no. You see, this thing only work one way. One way this work. Your heart of it clean. And you see because you don't have clean heart, that's why it will never work. You can never reach now. You never wonder why you're stagnant, why your life stagnant so because your heart dirty. Try have clean heart like Miss Bling. Miss Bling. Heart clean like Jesus police record. Thanks, Sashi. Thanks, Traffic. How can you be a real woman and go on a Batman live and I help him a class somebody who look out for him, who run out for him, and all because him have the money and mind Andrew, me decide say me I go Lego that boy. What if you do? Take the people them hard earn money and send go give man where mine Andrew and Derek not even taste Andrew penis. Right so. One beauty bling, my love. Right so Johnny, don't show them. Johnny, but the boy over there, mind a man when not even taste the penis. Go up your man, go bite off pigeon neck and drink goat blood, and he still not own the man. You know, say them people are demons. We take up body good and so we're gonna try help body good, you know. And them vex. Him own friend them vex, but me don't know why him can't see. Him not hear nothing what we are said to him. And I don't understand. It's like, me don't know, they must work on body good too. Can not understand what me I tell him. Him own friend them bad man him. I said drop them pussy hole ya. Drop them. Yeah, elevate. And a lot of things are gonna come your way. See, right now, them are try to put him out of the house. You know why? Because his success is near. The Bible says if you're right enough penny, you have to chop it off. And sometimes we have to chop off the things them well often we. And then pussy all they forget cut off, chop off, lock off, straight. Them go form alliance. And nobody never trouble them. Once you go form alliance, you forget turn off, lock off, rightness or right then. The people, Johnny, the people them form alliance. And once you go form alliance, and done you done for, that forget cut off straight. You can't say Me and your friend, and you gonna form alliance. Not no work, so it no go so you have to sit down with your friend in the carelessness. Sit down with your friend in it. Thank you, the boss. Where you go? What? Come on. Your friend has struggle, and you can't help your friend. You help your friend, right? But you not go form alliance with some other people about your friend and them something there. What kind of friend you be? Use a bad mind, dog shit, covetous, bad mind, drunk crow. Oh, my love, you can't do that, my love. You know why them batty man you struggle so much? Them batty boy you could have reached far. I tell you no. Them could have reached far in a life. But them a struggle. And when the sister them a struggle. And them wicked and them bad mind shape good and them lie. Them ungrateful, them covetous, them bad mind and them lie. And them cuss real woman for nothing. And a real woman piss them out. But some different thing we come with, my love. We have all heap of giveaways, but we're not gonna do it over here, so it's gonna be happen on my YouTube channel. So let me speak of some things that we will be doing. Cause I don't talk. I have nothing more to say. Anybody in the era class me, nobody send me the video. Anybody send me the video, me I go black or no. Me no want to see no dry up blood clot dirty long time batty boys stink like dog we full of AIDS a class me. Me no want to see it. Make them class me in peace. You understand? Let them class me in peace. Bolo. Mix up Lolo. Let me ask you something. Oh, you shame and me no shame. Oh, Derek class me today and you shame and me no shame. Oh, all this work. So Derek can class anybody? Look at Derek. Look at Derek Morgan. You tell me now. What can Derek say? What can Derek say to make me feel any form of way? Like what? Derek already have face what happened to him now. Remember said Derek kill him mother, you know. Derek kill him mother. So all heap of different crosses upon him, my love. But Derek can't say for shame me. Mix up. Come with something else, my love. Come with something else. Right now, I wish me did see, me could have seen Derek mother for tell her, say, Derek could be avoided with the use of a condom. Anyway, we're gonna talk about where me I stop. So my life them are gonna be boring from now. Me are telling you from now, so no find somebody else's life go on, my love. So people, all my giveaways, because I get to find out so I don't have 4,000 watch hours over YouTube. And I can't live some love. I have anywhere the money them have for them love. You know me? Sassy with the rose. So I go over YouTube, go subscribe because I son of mommy I go get the money for you to the people them love and help the people them because some people don't have it for send. Miss Blinga don't have any money right now. It's this that rated. So everybody run over to my to my YouTube and subscribe. We're gonna give away money over YouTube to the subscribers so you can listen. Once you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and you can share this with people. We'll have to do something, my love. Pin your YouTube name. It's in my bio. I don't know how to pin it. It's in my bio. So you guys are going to go over there, subscribe, share the video, share any video you guys. Here's what's going to happen. This is how you win. This is how you win. It's in my bio. Listen to how you win now. The boy are cute to say, name Richie. When I look for him, he cute. And I think him know it. I'm sure him know it. Him show off. Yes. Every day I tell him, when I see him, I him though. Yeah, man, I him same one. The love. Oh, boy, yeah. Anyway. My queries. So, we're having a raffle, but everybody know me and know say I'm all about the money. Guys, I'm all about the money. When I'm done with social media, I must be getting paid from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. 4 checks I must be getting when I'm finished. I'm back. This is gonna happen by December. When I receive the checks, I will give back. So if you guys want stuff from me, thank you, Richie. If you guys want stuff from me, you must support me. And there are power in numbers. I tell you guys this already. Look at 10 hearts. Richie, you know, so that are 200 roses. Because tonight is my roses night. That are 300 roses. That's why you just could have sent right this already. Thank you. Guys, go follow my gifter, Richard. And nobody not going to DM him married. My love. Yes. Thank you. Anyway, people. Tonight is my roses night and I'm